guys, welcome back to the channel, Rachel and Sydney's World. I'm Rachel, and today I'm here making a paper squishy. So today is Taco Tuesday and Cinco de Mayo. So what's not a better way to celebrate it than making a taco squishy? So I have my markers, I got my cloud, and I also got some transparent tape. And maybe I might just add, I almost lost the cap of the marker. And I can add a few more beans right here. Cut those in. And we have more beans. So I'm gonna just draw a little bit more lettuce here, kinda. Okay. And we have finished drawing the lettuce and the beans. So now we are going to get a darker, kind of brownish, magenta looking kind, and we're gonna add some meat. So we're gonna cut that part right here. We're gonna color this part. And I like it. It's looking pretty good. And also guys, from the last video, this is also gonna be my first time making a paper squishy. Because this is my first time to almost everything. So now, we're going to take this, like nice yellowish for the shell, and I'm going to color the back part of the shell. A nice light yellow. Kinda looks like cheese, but hey, it's a taco. We can already kind of see that. Okay. I like this yellow. This yellow is very bright, and I like how it's like very bright so I can see it a lot. I thought it would be probably a little lighter that you couldn't quite that well see it if I colored on the white paper, but it turns out you can actually see it pretty well. Yeah, look at that. That's looking pretty good. So now I'll take a black marker and I am going to draw a little face. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to draw a little face. And I'm going to get a red. This red, I'm going to draw a little tongue. And while I have the red out, I'm going to take the smaller side of the black and I'm going to, there we go. I don't know what you call that, but I like drawing that on the tongue. Okay, here we go. And we got a tongue. That is an amazing looking tongue to me. So now I'm going to draw some little eyebrows. Yes, tacos have eyebrows sometimes. I'm going to color those eyebrows in. Going to draw a second one. And coloring that in. Now I'm going to draw some eyes. So I'm going to make them blue because I feel like this taco needs some blue. So, coloring the eyes blue. Looking pretty good, I like it. Yeah, I like this. This is going actually better than I expected. I thought it would have gone pretty wrong because it's my first time making a squishy. So now I'm going to take this orange and I'm going to kind of make it a little darker over here around this part. And there we go. Made a little darker there. Now we can color the rest of it yellow. And we are going around the eyes, which I'm terrified for, because what happens if it blends in with the yellow? Oh no, that's going to go wrong. So we're going to try the eyes. I'm just go right here. Going pretty good. Ooh, yes. Yes. This is going so well right now. I'm so happy right now for this because it's going pretty good. Color around the mouth a little bit. Hoping that it doesn't mix with the black, because usually when that happens it turns kind of like a dark yellow and it's not that pretty. So Yay, it's not smudging with the black. Okay. And we are almost done coloring the rest of the shell. Cut that part a little bit, that way we don't have that much white. Okay. And oh, it doesn't smudge with the tongue. That's good. Don't want to get the yellow on the table, because if you saw the fox one, when you put this marker on foam, it goes all over your hands. And I kinda got it off, but now I have more marker on my hands. But instead of black, it's a different color. So, I'm going to color this a little bit more. And here we go. There, we finished coloring the whole taco. Yes. So now we are going to take the scissors and we are going to cut them. You are going to cut him now. So, okay, we gotta go pretty slow. Go cutting around it. I always used to cut on the black, and then I would always end up having some weird kind of like missing black, has black on it sort of thing. Cut there. Going to want to come up to let this stay. Ah, I bent the lettuce. No. I'm gonna just cut around here, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna just cut that part of the lettuce so you can see it. Yeah, the little lettuce is still there. He be living still. Don't bend the lettuce. Okay, there we go. Didn't bend the lettuce. Now I'm gonna move that over here, and I'm gonna just cut this part of the lettuce off. That way it will not be missing the top part of the lettuce. Go. And we are about to finish the cutting, and then we can go do with the taping, and then we can go to the stuffing. We'll tape it just a little bit more, and then it should be done. Okay, there we go. We finished the cutting. So now we must go to transparent taping. So we got transparent tape here. Okay guys, so now we are going to tape the taco. So I'm going to fold this transparent tape over. I can barely see the tape, which is pretty good, because that's what we need to go for. Okay. So I'm gonna cut that bit off. Just like a bit. Now I'm keeping it right there kind of so it's still stiff. Okay, so now I'm gonna get another piece of tape. So it's gonna be that big, okay. Like right here. So, if you guys seen the other video, the fox, that was pretty cool. And this is looking, I think I like doing the fox better with the foam, because with this taping stuff, I am not good at. Sydney is like expert, like pro. She makes these all the time. Ah, the tape. Okay guys, so I just realized I never colored the back. So I gotta quickly color this back part. Oh guys, make sure to leave a like on this video if you guys have been making squishies during quarantine. So now we can fold this tape on the back of the taco squishy. Okay. So we got to get more tape for this side. Okay, that's the front. Looks pretty good. Okay, now I gotta do the back. Okay, so now we're going to take cotton, and from our last video we took like the little pieces of memory foam and we're making it into stuffing and stuff. So we're gonna take a smaller piece and we're gonna kinda get that through this hole. We're gonna stuff it down here. Okay. Now we're going to try to make it a little smaller, that way it can actually go in the hole. I'm gonna make that go right there. Okay. Put this guy all the way over here. Look, it's starting to already form. Ooh, it's squishy already. And this is a squishy taco. Like, it's an actual squishy taco. So we're gonna tape this part. So I'm going to get the tape, which I suck at. So, get a small bit. Going to kind of get that right here bit, right there. There we go. We got it. We got it. Yes! We got it! Okay. Ooh. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, it's working. Ooh. And I'm gonna just go around here and cut a bit of the extra part. Like right here, we have the lettuce. I'm gonna just cut around that. And I'm just going right here. Feels like it's laminated. There we go. That just came off. Ooh, this is so scary. Okay, there we go. We got another part, and then there we go. We got it. We did it. It's a squishy taco. Oh, it's so squishy. I like that. It's a paper squishy. Oh, it's squishy. I like that. So guys, this is what we did in. Well, this is what we made today. We made a taco squishy. So, this squishy was made especially for Taco Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday, guys. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Rachel and Sydney's World. Bye. Bye, guys. It's a squishy.